Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Alicia and I share beauty and lifestyle content here on my channel. And for today's video, I'm going to be sharing some new Tarte products along with some of their best sellers. So if y'all want to see my new Tarte goodies, then just keep watching. So Tarte is hands down my favorite makeup brand, and it has been for years. I actually used to work for them. My official title was a sales and education trainer, but unfortunately last year they had to lay me off. So I reached out to them and asked them if I could work with them since I can't work for them right now, and they sent me this box of goodies. And I was so excited because that is one of my dream collaborations. So I really hope that I can continue working with Tarte. And my dream, which is huge and may not ever happen, but I would one day love to collab with Tarte with a palette, which they have collabed with several influencers for a palette, but I am very, very small. So hopefully one day that is one of like my big dream goals. But anyways, so let's just dive right in. So the first thing I'm going to show y'all is the Tartelette in Bloom palette. So this is their second Tartelette palette, and it is definitely my all-time favorite palette. Not even Tarte palette, just palette in general. I actually wore this on my wedding day. I did my own makeup along with my bridesmaids, and I'm pretty sure I used this on them as well, but I know for sure I used it on me. And whenever I do clients, I also use this a lot on my brides and even prom clients. It is just such a great neutral palette. Let me open it so y'all can see what it looks like on the inside, just in case you're not familiar with it. So here is what the packaging looks like. And then here is the palette. I just think these colors are perfect for so many different skin tones, and I love that there's a mix of matte and shimmer. And then I like that the dark shades aren't too dark. And what I like to do is I will use the darker shades as an eyeliner if you don't want like the harshness of a pencil liner, if that makes sense. I also really like to add these to the outer corner of my lid to kind of smoke out the eye but not make it too dark. And another thing I love about Tarte's palettes is they all come with this little sheet, and it tells you how to do an eye look, and it tells you which shadow to put where. They're all named, and they're all designed to make it super easy to apply as well. So that's a look, that's a look, and that's a look. So it makes it super easy. Their new Hydro Smoother foundation brush, they actually came out with this brush to go with their new Hydro Flex Serum Foundation, which I am so excited to try. Actually, I have tried it. That is what I have on. I did do a first impressions review on it that will be up next week, so be sure to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss that. I use the brush and the foundation. So this shade actually is too light for me. I had to add some bronzer to make it match more for this video, but definitely be on the lookout for that review. Their new lotion, which is a kind of glowy primer. You can use it by itself, which I think is really pretty if you want just a little bit of something like at the lake, beach, pool, whatever. And then you can also use it underneath your foundation as well to give your foundation a glowy, dewy look. So I have used this before and I really love it. This is something that is new and also new to me that I am so excited to try out is their new Maneater Palette. I mean, first of all, it's leopard print, and just in case you don't know, I'm obsessed with leopard print, but that's not the only reason I like this palette. Look at all of these colors, and then it even has gold leopard print, whoops, wrong side, shoot, gold leopard print on the corners. And then let me open it so y'all can see the inside. Look how pretty these colors are. So this is a highlighter, And this is a blush, and I love that there's even leopard print on the blush and highlighter, but I love those eyeshadow colors. Okay, there, you can kind of see the colors a little better. But I will definitely be doing a tutorial using this palette as well, so once again, keep an eye out. But it will actually probably be a couple weeks before I use this palette because I have some fun videos planned already. And sticking with the Maneater collection, they also sent 2 of their new Maneater lip plumpers. I'm wearing one of them, the mauve, but I did put a lipstick on top of it because I wanted a little bit more color, because these are kind of just like a tint, but it's still really pretty and it does tingle. So just warning you, if you don't like tingle, you probably won't like these, but I like them because it doesn't tingle too much and it's not sticky. So they sent light pink and mauve. This one's the light pink, this one's the mauve, and then that's the color I have on underneath my lipstick. They also sent a Shape Tape, which I already used and love. Shape Tape is hands down my favorite concealer ever. I've been using it for years. Ever since it first came out, I started using it and I haven't changed since. But I did start using the hydrating formula, the ultra creamy Shape Tape concealer. So I would suggest that one if you have drier skin or drier under eyes, or if you have more mature skin, because it is creamier and more hydrating, where the original Shape Tape is more matte. They also sent one of their Amazonian Clay blushes, which is my favorite blushes. They are so pigmented because of that Amazonian Clay, and that's also what gives it the lasting power as well. So whenever you put it on in the morning, it is the same color and depth and everything at the end of the day, so the color doesn't fade, which I love, because a lot of blushes I've used kind of fade. So if I put it on in the morning and go somewhere in the evening, I have to kind of touch it up. With the Tarte blushes, I don't have to do that. And this is the shade Exposed, which I would say is one of their most popular shades. It's a really pretty kind of nudie pink color, and I think it looks good on a bunch of different skin tones. They also sent their Lights Camera Lashes mascara, which is Tarte's #1 selling mascara. It is 4-in-1, so it volumizes, lengthens, curls, and conditions your lashes. It has vitamins B5 and E, so it is really moisturizing on your lashes and won't dry them out and make them brittle. They also sent their Double Take eyeliner. I love this and recommend it to so many people because it is double-ended. So it has a felt tip liquid on one side and a pencil on the other. So if you have been wanting to try out a liquid but you're kind of nervous or scared, you have your normal pencil on the other side. Or I know a lot of people like to use liquid on their top lash line and then a pencil if you do the lower or on your waterline. So you get the best of both worlds with this eyeliner. They also sent part of their Awake skincare line, which if you're not familiar with it, Awake is Tarte's sister skincare line. I think it's been out about 2 years now. It's all vegan, so it's really good for you, and it's also cruelty free just like Tarte. But you can buy it at Ulta, and then it's also on Tarte's website. They did just have an Awake website. I don't know if they still have that, but I know for sure it's all on Tarte's website now. So this is the Lip Therapy Lip Mask. It has lots of really good oils in it: olive oil, argan, rosehip, and raspberry. So it is very moisturizing and it's not sticky. I have used this before and it feels really good on your lips. And then I think I saved the best for last. I have already been using this. That's why it's not in the box. I think I already threw it away because I've been using it ever since I opened this package. So this is their new Maracuja Juicy Lip Balm. Obsessed. I've been wanting to try this for a while, and I think this is actually the color I was wanting to try too. I think it's called Rose. Oh yeah, it shows it on the end. So it has like a button you click to get more product, and so there's what it looks like, and then there's like the color. It doesn't really, this one is more nude, so it doesn't have a whole lot of color, and it's really close to my natural lip color. That may be why it looks clear on me. but it is just so moisturizing. It's not sticky at all. It just feels amazing on my lips, and it smells amazing. It smells like coconut. It reminds me of the beach, and I love the beach, so anything that smells like it I love even more. It just smells so good. I love it. But if you need a good lip balm, I highly recommend the Maracuja Juicy Lips. I'm trying to say Maracuja and Juicy at the same time, I think. So here's what it looks like. And these do come in other colors, but it's kind of just like a tint. It doesn't give a whole lot of color, which I love. And I don't know if they still have it, but they did have a little a set of 3 of these. So that's everything that Tarte sent me. I will list and link everything I talked about down below in the description box, just in case you want to try anything out for yourself. But I really hope that y'all enjoyed this unboxing. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. That would really mean a lot to me, but I don't have anything else to say except thank you for watching, and I'll see you on my next video.